Hi guys, welcome back, and last but not least we have the wallet function on BitFinex. I'm going to show you how this works, what the purpose is, and how to do this as fast as possible. So the minute you get onto the exchange and you need to access your funds, whether that's to deposit, withdraw, or access the entire wallet. First of all, we'll go to deposit. From here you can see my deposit for Ether very recently, just a few days ago. And as you can see, this was completed. It was for 6.67 F. If you click on the actual deposit, you can go further and get the address it was sent to, the TX ID, and an actual link to go straight to the TX ID. And as you can see, this was completed. So the way I done this was I went to Ethereum and I had 3 wallets here that needed generating. All I done was press generate wallet, generate wallet, generate wallet. I'll show you this with another example. If I go to Ethereum Classic, the wallet is already there. If you go to Bitcoin, the wallet has not been made yet. So all I can do is generate a wallet here, generate another wallet, and finally generate one more wallet. Now that's done, let's go back to Ether where I made my original deposit. So when we go to Ether, you will notice I have an exchange wallet, I have a margin wallet, and I have a funding wallet. Now, the first time I funded on this site, I did send it straight to the funding wallet. As you can presume automatically, the funding wallet is where you originally put your holdings. This isn't always the case, but if you just want to simply send crypto to hold, then send it to the funding wallet. If you want to send it straight away to be exchanged, send it straight to the exchange wallet. The margin wallet is exactly the same as the exchange wallet, yet it allows you to trade via margin. Now if you notice on the left hand side here, after I purchased IOTA, this was then present in the exchange wallet. However, I moved this to the funding wallet as I have no intention to sell my IOTA anytime soon. And all you'll have below is the USD equivalent of the market price right now. So we're talking just under 1,900 USD. So that can stay there. So what I'm going to show you is how to move from wallet to wallet to wallet in 3 simple steps. So select the wallet tab up here, and what you'll notice is you can easily transfer from wallets simply from this tool here. And if you can see, if I had more cryptos in my wallets here, I would be able to select these all, which would automatically reflect up here in this tool. So if I start clicking here into multiple wallets, you can see it's starting to change up above. And that obviously depends if I'm selecting the exchange wallet, the margin wallet, or the funding wallet. For this example, I will send my IOTA from the funding wallet to the exchange wallet and then back again. So all I do is I go to IOTA, I select my holdings, it automatically comes up here, and it automatically knows I've selected the funding wallet. So for this example, I'm going to send it to the exchange wallet by simply pressing transfer. And just like that, it's been confirmed, my funds have been shifted to the exchange wallet. I now want to bring this back as I will not be trading this anytime soon. So all I do is select exchange. It now changed from funding wallet to exchange wallet, and I will send this back to funding. Simply press transfer again. There we have it, the money is back in my account. As simple as that, I can now monitor this and keep this safe right from the BitFinex platform. Guys, it's as simple as that. There's nothing else to it. Do not overcomplicate things. Just get used to the interface. I guarantee you'll pick this up way faster than you actually think. Thank you for watching this lesson.